Hi, watch this video, I'll tell you the story. So it was 2022. I just bought my motorcycle, so excited. It was about 2 months that I had it. And I saw these movies and footages that there's this camera behind the screen showing the road, showing the speed, showing the RPM, showing everything cool, the engine sound and gears, everything is cool. So I was thinking, how can I do that? Mostly I do the same, but there's no camera. So I wanted to share this footage, this excitement with my fellow riders and friends. So there was this idea, how can I put my camera over the tank that could record all I want, which is the screen, the road, the gears, the sound, and everything. So the first idea, the cheap one and the good one, was to buy a chest mount. I checked, the chest mount of DJI was about $60, $59. So it was so expensive. Convert to RMB, where I'm in China, it is about 400 RMBs. I took a picture of DJI chest mount and then searched it on TaoBao. So I found it about 40 or 69 RMB, which is way more cheaper and the same. Good quality with the same function. So I bought it. The day it arrived, I was so excited. Let's go test it. So I wore this. So I was ready to go. There was just only one problem. After 2 months, I washed the helmet inside. So these things were wet. I just washed them the day before, so the helmet inside was like this. Not that bad. It was okay, so I said, let's go and do it. I went outside to the road, tested the chest mount, the gears, everything was fine. So I was looking for a moment that the road is good to go. I found that moment after that green light. I was a bit cautious and used the middle lane. I was accelerating, changing gears, and so excited that I'm recording a good thing. And there was this holala coming in. I couldn't assume that which lane, the first one or the second one or the third one is he going. He turned and turned out he's going in the middle. So I was thinking I cannot control it and I'm gonna hit him. And there's a crash. So I was thinking, okay, let's go and slip it down on the road. And from this side, I'm just gonna hit the bottom and the tires of that holala. Or maybe I'm going and hitting and jumping. Anyway, and then there was this thought that, okay, let's control it as long as I can and then hit the holala with the lowest force. This was the idea. And the motorcycle, this QJ, had ABS. So I was sure everything is fine. I pushed the brakes. At the moment that I pushed the brake, guess what happened? I went down, and when I was going down, the helmet turned. So the helmet turned this side, and I had just only this eye, and I had only one eye. I couldn't use my right hand because of the brake, and I couldn't use the left hand because I thought that if I go this way and hit the holala, so I cannot control and the damage would be a lot. So I did nothing, just the brake and went there. And the moment you see, I just passed it, I turned the helmet. This was the story. I hope you enjoyed it and you enjoy riding. Be safe out there.